This is how I make an all-natural lemongrass and coconut sea salt body scrub. This recipe makes 3 16-ounce jars, perfect for keeping one for yourself and gifting the rest. I'll link in the description to where you can find the full recipe with ingredient quantities and where you can find the supplies used to make this body scrub. I start by harvesting fresh lemongrass leaves from the garden. Then I gather the rest of the ingredients. I used kitchen scissors to cut the lemongrass leaves into tiny pieces. Use only the green leafy parts, not the tough stalks. I add the lemongrass leaves into a coffee grinder, but you can also use a small blender. I add some coarse sea salt and start blending. The salt helps to break down the lemongrass leaves. Next, I add a little bit of almond oil and continue blending until the lemongrass is soft and fine. Once it's ready, I pour it into a large mixing bowl. Now I add equal parts coarse sea salt and fine sea salt. I like the resulting body scrub texture when I use both fine and coarse sea salt, but you can use only one kind if you wish. This is optional, but for a stronger scent, you can add about 30 drops of an essential oil or fragrance oil. I'm using lemongrass essential oil. Next, add 6 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix very well to incorporate. Then I add enough almond oil until I get to the body scrub consistency that I like. Not too wet and not too dry. Stir everything together until well combined. Now it's ready to be used and you can start filling your jars. I really like 16-ounce jars or even slightly bigger for body scrubs. I found a whole pack of them on Amazon. This recipe makes enough body scrub to fill 3 16-ounce jars. Since I'm adding these scrubs to homemade Christmas gift baskets, I also made some pretty labels. If you'd like to use them too, you can find the link in the description to download and print them for free. And that's it, a simple, fresh lemongrass coconut sea salt body scrub you can make right at home. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more homemade do-it-yourself recipes. Thanks for watching.